This is a review of the CuteBee DIY Uncle Joe's Pizzeria. Ooh, this is going to be a good one. Love, love, love these kits. We have here the nice thick board stock for all of the parts that it takes to make up this puzzle. 235, I believe. Over here, we have an accessory kit, and we're going to find in there some lighting and other items that are specially made. There's an emery board, possibly circuit board in there, some wiring, extra decals for some of the parts. And finally, something CuteBee always includes is extra detailed instructions on how to put these together. Check out all of their different models. And here we have a sheet of plastic because, as you can see in the photo, this is a storefront, so the doors and windows need to look real. So that's going to be the faux glass on the storefront. This is a cool one. I'm going to do another review when it's finished. Thanks for watching.